All right, how you doing? We are live. Awesome. I wanted to share this with you because I just got a great idea from one of the groups that I'm in, and this is how to control the emails and the welcome emails or welcome subscribers coming into your email system, and without you having them bombarded with all kinds of emails. So I'm actually recording the second version of my email archery, and this question came up in the PLF, the product launch formula group, and I thought it was brilliant. So I put together a very simple 3-slide presentation thingy that I want to record for the actual program. Thought I'd share it with you guys too. So I just did this, and I want to share it with you. So let me get that information up for you and share my screen. Let me just share my screen here and share this information with you. And why am I not seeing? Bear with me while I learn how to use my own program. All right, so guys, what I want to do here is I also want to let you know, if you are interested in email archery, this is where you would go. This is what I'm going to teach. A little bit of email archery. That's where you would go to get into the program. There's a waiting list for it right now, but you can get in on it anytime you want to when that promotion is available. So let me do this here. Let me share my screen here. I think that should work. All right, there we go. Cool, cool, cool. So now this is what it is, all right? So this is how to send new subscriber welcome emails without them getting the weekly engagement emails at the same time. Now, if you are, if you've listened to the kind of stuff that I do in terms of email marketing, what I do is I'm always sending out weekly engagement emails, like value emails, not promotional emails. And sometimes there's promotion in there, but mainly I'm sending out engagement emails to keep subscribers engaged and give them help. And then eventually, hopefully, they'll buy from me, right? That's the whole idea of doing engagement type of emails. And what the problem is when you're getting new subscribers in, you would typically have a welcome series, like a few emails that welcome them to your service, to introduce them to you and all that, right? And what you don't want to do is bombard them with emails. And there's a very easy way to do this, and here is how we do it. All right, so you'll see here that this is a representation of a welcome campaign, a very simple welcome campaign, right? It doesn't have to be crazy. And you'll see that a new subscriber comes in and they would get this welcome email right over here, number 1, right? And then obviously the next day, a couple hours later, whatever you're going to do, they're going to get emails number 2, and they're going to get email number 3. Now, this can be as long as you want them to be. It doesn't have to be 3 emails. It could be 1, it could be 6, it could be 60. It doesn't matter. But at the end of the day, at the end of the email sequence, what happens is they're going to get a marketing tag. This is the way that we do it. And I literally call mine a marketing tag, all right? So it's very simple. If you have an automation type of email marketing system, I use Infusionsoft. There's almost all of them allow you to tag people based on behavior or based on something that's happened. And in this case, at the end of the sequence or the end of the campaign, I'll just put in a little automation that says, hey, when everybody's finished this, just tag them with marketing, okay? Understand? Simple, right? Here's how this works and what's really cool about this. So if you're looking at this from the overall picture, then the new subscribers, they don't have a tag on them, right? So if you're sending out weekly emails, I've got like a saved list on my Infusionsoft that says send my weekly emails to everybody who has the marketing tag. It's pretty simple, right? And so the people who do not have that tag will not get those welcome emails, and they won't be bombarded. And that's how I control who really gets my weekly emails and who doesn't get the weekly emails. So new subscribers are just coming in and they're getting exactly what they should get, which is the welcome sequence, okay? And then finally, there's another cool way of using this that I'm going to show you here with the promotion type of thing. So let's say you're doing a promotion and you want to control what's going on, and you don't want, again, to have weekly emails going to a promotion, because if you've got this promotion going on, let's say it's 4 days long, you're doing a 4-day cash machine or something, and then you are sending also weekly emails, then they're going to get bombarded, right? They're beginning like, what's going on here? So you want to segment that out. And because you have the marketing tag, which is really a controlling tag, that's all it is. It's just controlling everything that's going on. Then here's what you do. Let me just switch to this one. You go to this, right? So the existing subscriber has that marketing tag at the beginning, and then when they go into your promotion campaign, you're going to automatically remove the marketing tag, right? So then they get the promotion emails. Again, that can be as many emails as you want them to be. 1, 2, 3, 60, doesn't really matter. But they go through this promotion, and then at the end of the promotion, you put the marketing tag back on. Pretty cool, right? So let's say you've got, I don't know, 1,000 people on your email list, and you're going to send it to half the people. Then, and you still want to keep the other half, so half of them are going into your promotion, and you're removing the marketing tag, so they're not going to get your weekly emails. But then you still want to still keep the other ones engaged, and because you've got that marketing tag on the other 500 people, they're going to get your weekly emails, and you don't have to worry about it because you're sending your weekly emails to a list that says only send this to the people who have this tag. Make sense? If you have any questions, let me know, because I know there's some people jumped on live here. Thanks for being here with me. I'm just doing some email marketing stuff. And if you have any questions regarding your email marketing, let me know. And I'll answer them for you like right now. It'd be pretty cool. So this is kind of, these are the really easy ways to use tags and controlling tags for your marketing. This is what I do like every single week. And so I'm always using that marketing tag. And then this is, again, will allow you to make sure that people don't get emails constantly bombarded with emails. And that's really what you want to do, is you want to keep your email list engaged, but also you don't want to have them getting constant emails over and over and over again. Okay, there you go. That's it. Hopefully that helped you out. Let me close this up. And let me go back. How do I do that? There we go. We go back to here. So guys, if you like that and you would like to get in on the email archery, you can go to emailarchery.com. I'm in version number 2 of that, where it'll show you how to, email market in a cool way without selling people, show you how to write, show you how to do it the right way, show you how to segment a little bit more than we did over here. And there's a waiting list there. You don't have to buy anything, just put your name on the list. And if you're interested when the actual program is released in another couple of weeks, you'll get in on the first promotion of it there. All right. So go to emailarchery.com if that interests you. If you like this and share it with somebody, I'd be so grateful for you to do that. Hopefully this helped you out. I'll talk to you soon.